All right, folks, well, I got the short block assembled finally, and got to put another coat of paint on that oil pan. But other than that, these are the 915 heads. Now they've got, I don't know if they've been machined. It looks like they may have been machined. They do have the big valves, 2-inch valves in them. I guess it's 202. What are they running these? I don't remember, but it's bigger than 2-inch. And I was always under the impression the big valve heads didn't have the small chamber, but it looks like these may have been cut down. What do you guys think? Now they look pretty good. Looks like somebody put some new springs on them. They're double springs. I'm not terribly crazy about. The exhaust ports had a lot of rusty scale where they've been sitting on the shelf. When I bought them, they were wrapped in plastic. And I don't know. I haven't taken them to the machine shop or anything. I don't know anything about them. I'm just gonna bolt them on. This budget build, backyard shade tree build. Just hope for the best. I just hope the double valve spring isn't gonna hurt me. We'll see. All right, guys, if you can see that this piston here, I guess you can see it, it's down in the hole a little bit. Not as bad as that motorhome motor I built last year. I think I measured it at 150 in the hole. This one here, this is 86 thousandths. This is 4 filler gauges stacked together. 86 thousandths. And I can see a little bit of clearance between the gauge and the ruler yardstick. And I'm well aware this yardstick is not accurate. I get that. I'm just trying to get a ballpark. So 86 thousandths, you're probably looking at 90 thousandths. 90 thousandths, maybe 100 thousandths in the hole. 400 stock 77 400 piston. So you probably could say 100 thousandths, somewhere between 90 and 100 thousandths in the hole. Piston's pretty clean, a little carbon on it. So that'll give you an idea. And again, the ruler is not a straight edge. I get that. I'm just using what I got. Just kind of wanted to get an idea. All right, guys, here's the head gaskets I've decided to go with. Don't think there's anything special about these. I think they compress down to, I want to say 39 thousandths, I believe. Maybe a little more than that, but I believe it was 39 thousandths. I can look that number up on the Summit Racing tonight. But you saw what the heads, the chamber of the heads looked like. The piston, how far down the hole it was. And matter of fact, I could probably put a straight edge on that. You ought to do that too. Let me put a straight edge on that cylinder head. No, I don't guess that's necessary. I think anybody that knows these heads, that's probably a 72 or smaller chamber. It may be as little as a 68. The only way to measure that is to CC it, and I'm not going to do all that. So if anybody wants to kind of calculate roughly what kind of compression ratio, I'm all open. And yes, I do have it on top dead center. See the 0?